The 2026 Kenworth W1250 has taken over YouTube truck channels, fleet forums, and heavy haul communities because this truck isn't just another model. It's a next-generation workhorse built for the toughest jobs on Earth, combining massive power, advanced tech, reliability, and driver comfort in a way we haven't seen before. And today we're breaking down everything that makes the 2026 Kenworth W1250 trending. The specs, the performance, the cutting-edge systems, and why drivers and fleet managers alike are sharing footage like crazy. The moment Kenworth revealed the first teasers and spec sheets, the internet lit up. This isn't just an incremental update, it's a redefinition of what a heavy-duty, severe service truck can be, and in a world where uptime, efficiency, safety, and comfort all matter, the W1250 seems to tick every box. Let's start with power and performance because that's where this beast immediately demands attention. The 2026 W1250 is designed for serious hauling, severe service, and heavy-duty duty cycles, pushing some of the highest gross combination weights GCW in its class with ease. And whether you're talking massive loads in logging, oilfield work, mining support, or heavy hauling on long highways, this truck keeps pace without compromise, packed with high-torque engines from the latest class of diesel power plants, delivering exceptional low-end grunt and steady power at highway speeds. And when you watch real-world footage of the W1250 climbing grades, towing long loads, or pulling heavy trailers from a standstill, you see why operators are raving. The power delivery is smooth but relentless, making every load feel manageable. But raw power isn't enough on its own. Efficiency and reliability are just as important, and Kenworth nailed it with optimized fuel systems, aerodynamic enhancements, and intelligent engine management that squeeze more mileage out of every drop while maintaining the capability this truck is known for. Fleets are already posting comparisons showing how the W1250 uses less fuel per ton hauled compared to older models, and that's a huge deal for operators who pay attention to every mile and every dollar. The transmission and driveline have also been engineered for heavy haul performance. Robust automated manual transmissions (AMTs) keep the truck in the right gear, reducing driver fatigue and improving consistency in shifting, while torque converters and reinforced components handle stressful starts and heavy loads without overheating or slippage. And when you watch uphill pulls and heavy starts in shared videos, you can see how stable and responsive this powertrain combo is. That gives drivers confidence, and confidence is everything on long runs or challenging terrain. One of the biggest features fueling the W1250 hype is its advanced driver assistance systems and safety tech. Kenworth stepped up with lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control tuned for heavy hauling, collision mitigation, tire pressure monitoring, and real-time stability alerts, all designed to keep drivers safer on long hours behind the wheel. And as creators walk through these systems in hands-on videos, viewers are impressed by how seamlessly these tools integrate with real-world driving without feeling intrusive. The cab and driver environment are major reasons this truck is trending too. Kenworth has always put drivers first, but the 2026 W1250 takes it to another level with ergonomic seating, improved noise insulation, panoramic views, and intuitive controls that are designed to reduce fatigue and increase focus on long shifts. Creators filming cabin walkthroughs highlight the premium feel, from adjustable seating with multiple support levels to climate-controlled comfort and a cockpit that feels more trucker-centered than ever before. All of this matters when drivers spend days on the road or in remote work zones. Tech inside the cab is cutting-edge, with large digital displays that provide real-time machine, engine, and route data, custom driver profiles that remember preferences, and connectivity features like wireless updates, fleet integration tools, and smart navigation systems that optimize routes for weight limits, terrain, and road conditions. YouTube creators are making dedicated breakdowns of the interface because this level of technology feels new in a heavy-duty class that's typically slow to adopt advanced digital systems. Another reason the W1250 is trending is the durability enhancements. Reinforced frames, heavy-duty suspension components, rugged drivetrain parts, and enhanced cooling systems designed to handle continuous operation without overheating or premature wear. This truck isn't meant to be gentle. It's meant to be dependable in demanding environments from extreme heat to cold weather, and that resilience shows up in owner testimonials and fleet tests that get shared online. These aren't staged demonstrations, these are real trucks doing real work. Kenworth also focused on serviceability, so technicians can quickly access key components, run diagnostics with integrated telematics, and perform maintenance with tools that reduce downtime. And in the heavy haul world, uptime equals revenue, so improvements that cut service time are immediately noteworthy and shareable in equipment review videos. Another hot topic isn't just what the W1250 can do, it's how it performs compared to competitors. Many creators are pitting this truck against other heavy-duty options from rival brands in head-to-head comparisons, talking torque, fuel economy, driver comfort, tech features, and overall ownership experience. And often the conversation swings in favor of the W1250 because of its balanced package that doesn't force drivers to choose between power, safety, or comfort. What's also trending is the community reaction. Drivers and fleet managers share their own footage and long-term review data demonstrating real fuel efficiency figures, uptime percentages, and long-haul comfort comparisons. And when everyday drivers post their stories, from cross-country runs to hard